Hello friends, I am Advocate Hari Kishan. Today I am going to discuss provisions of maintenance contained in Section 125 CRPC. Section 125 CRPC provides maintenance to the wife, to the children, whether they are legitimate or illegitimate, as well as the parents. The provisions Section 125 says the husband who has neglected the wife, the children, and he has sufficient means to maintain them, but the children and the wife, they don't have sufficient means to maintain themselves. They can apply to the magistrate for the maintenance. The basic criteria to approach the court is there must be neglection from the husband and there must be insufficient means for the wife and children to claim the maintenance. This section 125 also provides that the parents can also apply for the maintenance. The eligibility would be the same, like wife and children, they can approach in case neglected by the husband. Similarly, if parents are neglected by their children, they can also approach the concerned magistrate for the claiming maintenance. Now, Section 126 provides the jurisdiction of the magistrate where one can approach. It says the parties who have lived together in the case of husband and wife where they lastly resided together, the magistrate concerned of that jurisdiction has the jurisdiction to entertain the petition for maintenance. Second, in case they are living separately, in that case, wife can also approach to the concerned magistrate where she is living presently at the time of filing the petition. And in case of the parents, they can approach the magistrate concerned where they are living. Now, the important aspect of claiming maintenance is they have to show firstly that the respondent who is the husband or the children of the parent, he has neglected them and they have insufficient means to maintain. Then and only then they can claim the maintenance. Now, Section 127 also provides some challenges. Challenges means the variations in the order passed under Section 125. One thing I left out is Section 125(4) provides the condition wherein the wife cannot claim maintenance in case she is living in adultery, in case she refuses to live for insufficient reason. In that case, she cannot claim maintenance. If the husband able to show to the court that the wife is living in adultery, in that case, court is bound to pass negative order against the wife and in favor of the husband. In case the husband is also able to show, though the wife is not living in adultery, but she has insufficient reason to live together, in that case also court is duty bound not to grant maintenance to the wife. But the important aspect is in both the cases, children, whether legitimate or illegitimate, both are entitled to claim the maintenance, irrespective of the fact the wife is living in adultery or she has refuses to live together. In both the cases, she is not entitled, but the children are entitled. Now, Section 127 is another provision provided under the Code of Criminal Procedure, which says in case of change of circumstances, the court has to vary the order. The circumstances could be economical or social. So, if the economical conditions of parties have changed, either it is the income is reduced or enhanced. Generally, enhanced income is coming to the challenge. That is why court used to consider the order and change it. There are other provisions under section 127 also, which says in case some judgment is passed in any other proceeding, in that case also court varies the order. So these are basic provisions which says how and by whom the maintenance can be claimed under Code of Criminal Procedure.